I honestly, I've lived my life in a way that I would rather see the glass half full.
Right.
So even though I've probably had some wonderfully nasty experiences here, but I really want to, I think, I look at it and think, what am I taking back home in a positive way? So being an outsider, I think the fact that this is almost houseful today is probably because most of you feel that how I talk or what I do on screen resonates with a lot of you. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah? Thank God. So yeah, I think that's because of my very regular middle class upbringing of being an outsider. I have seen life through my eyes and not through those tinted glasses with a silver spoon. Yeah, I have not. I've seen it as probably most of you have. Lived a similar kind of a life with a regular kind of a childhood and never been over protected or over pampered. So I think that really helps me to present these kind of characters on screen more convincingly.
Right.
So that's why all of you might relate to my characters and find it more real.
Yeah.
Is because I've lived a part of most of the characters that I present on screen real as well.
Yeah, yeah. You said that that's your USP, that people can relate
That's
to
my
you.
biggest strength.
Absolutely.